My name is Konrad Gruson. My specialty is orthopedic surgery with a subspecialty interest in shoulder surgery specifically. I have been at Montefiore in the Department of Orthopedics since August 27, 2008. I was born and raised in Manhattan, and in each level of training I've moved further and further north, ultimately ending up here at Montefiore in the Bronx. I take each patient individually. We individualize care, whether it be by injections and therapy, and even if it comes to needing surgery, we provide excellent world-class care here at Montefiore. One of the proudest achievements I've had in the last 5 years is being part of our shoulder fellowship. Having trainees come from not just the United States, actually from around the world, and being able to collaborate with them, I learn just as much from them and from what they've seen internationally as much as what I feel like I impart to them.